Hey guys, how's it going? So the past couple of weeks has been ridiculously busy, and that's because I've been hard at it trying to come up with a product design. Yeah, believe it or not, I'm going to start my own product line, and it's going to start with a flip stop. So I think I've come up with a pretty good concept or a pretty good prototype of a flip stop, but I'm at the point where I'd like to get your guys' input, especially on the design and material choices. So I think I'll go ahead and show you guys how I've built the prototype up to this point, and then at the end we'll go over some of the decisions which still have to be made. And yeah, this product's going to be built right here in my shop, and I'll probably just sell it on Etsy. So excited about this. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. All right, so that's going to be the main body or the main stop portion of the flip stop. And a few things to consider here. One is the material. This is aluminum. I put a polished finish on it, which really isn't practical whatsoever. Aluminum with a mirror finish. As soon as you get a little scratch on it, it's really visible and it looks crappy quickly. So to combat that, if I were to make it out of aluminum, I'd probably hollow out portions of it and then only like a matte finish, and then that way there you wouldn't notice any scratches and it would probably look pretty cool. The second option for material would be brass, which obviously would look awesome. The problem with brass though is expensive, almost 5 times the price for material for brass as it is aluminum. Thirdly, which is the choice I'm leaning towards, is 304 stainless steel. I can put a nice shiny finish on it fairly quickly. Looks pretty cool, takes the lettering quite well. Really durable material, won't corrode on you, won't show scratches because it's so hard. And it's in the middle of the price range as far as in between aluminum and brass. So let me know what you think about material. Another thing we got to consider is height. This is set up for an 3.5-inch fence, which I'm not sure is the common size. I know that's what my 2 table saw sleds are, is 3.5. Also a 1.5-inch version, because I know a lot of people like a shallow fence, especially on like say a drill press table. But yeah, let me know what you think of your fence, even if you could measure what you've set your table saw fence to, and just let me know what people are making their fence heights at. So there's that. These here I'm not going to fabricate in my shop. There's a local machine shop that has a water jet. I'd be getting them to cut all these out, and then I would put the logo on it if the logo's there. Let me know if you like the logo, or would you just rather no logo whatsoever. and I would drill a hole and put the shiny finish on it. But yeah, the actual outside perimeter would be cut on a water jet, which leaves the design possibilities endless. So if you have any ideas, let me know. So that's it for the actual stop. I'll go ahead and show you guys how I built the body. It's pretty straightforward. I actually like the design quite a bit, so I'll get you guys to let me know what you guys think of it. Okay, so this is the body design, and I really like this. I can completely fabricate this right here in my shop. What's nice about it is it just takes a single 5/16 T-bolt with, this is a 3-star 5/16 knob. I think it's going to be a 4-star though. But what's nice about using the round stock is it stays parallel to the T-track, or in line with the T-track. So that's a nice feature. And then the other thing I'm really excited about with the design of this, what I noticed no other commercial manufacturer is doing, or at least any that I've seen, is instead of it just being a bolt here, you actually have a knob you can tighten down. So what that allows is you to get a really nice tight fitting stop, which eliminates all play. And that's not going anywhere. And then the same thing when you have it up, it's not ever going to vibrate down on you or fall down, because as it's turning this way, it's tightening the knob. The material is going to be 304 stainless. And yeah, it's pretty simple. It's also going to have a stainless steel set screw, which will be Loctited in place. I know a few of you might mention brass on stainless or aluminum. Aluminum for sure, that would be an issue with stainless. It's not as big of an issue. It's definitely not going to hurt the stainless. If there was any corrosion would happen, which I doubt there would be, it would be just on the nut and you'd have to run the tap back through it. So anyways guys, that's the design. This I think would last a lifetime, especially if it was made from stainless steel. I'm really proud of the way it looks and its functionality. I'm really anxious to hear what you guys have to say, so let me know in the comments down below.